The Magnum handheld diamond core drill is the most powerful handheld diamond drill in the world, giving very fast drilling. It is reliable, safe, and easy to use, giving neat, clean, damage-free holes. It can be powered by any of the readily available hydraulic power units, delivering 5 gallons or 20 litres per minute at pressures in excess of 1,200 psi or 80 bar, such as this small single-phase unit shown here. With flush-face hydraulic couplings, connecting the Magnum to its power unit is easy. The Magnum is virtually silent when running, producing less than a quarter of the noise of conventional electric drills, making it ideal for use in occupied buildings. When all couplings are made, just screw in the diamond core bit and you are ready to start. The gentle hydraulic action increases the cutting life of the diamond core bit, further reducing running costs. There are no costly electric motors to burn out, and the Magnum is unaffected by water. Indeed, it is often used for underwater drilling. Alternatively, for external use, a small petrol or diesel-powered unit can be used. When powered from a suitable power unit, the Magnum can provide over 3 horsepower, equivalent to 2.4 kilowatts. Featuring a soft start facility, the Magnum makes starting the cut very easy, and the robust but lightweight design makes it ideal for heavy-duty site applications. And as you can see, provides very, very fast drilling. When drilling is complete, just unscrew the core bit, tap gently, and out drops the core sample. The Magnum is more than powerful enough to drill larger diameter holes, such as this 4-inch or 107mm core. Holes of this size can be started in one of 2 ways. The first uses a centering device. A smaller drill guides the larger core drill onto its target. Alternatively, you can use the soft start function. Start at an angle, cut a groove, and level up the drill. The built-in pressure relief valve will again prevent any snatching or snagging. Once you have cut the groove, carry on drilling. Aligning the drill is made easy by using the Magnum's built-in horizontal and vertical level bubbles. The versatility of the Magnum allows it to be rig-mounted for jobs that are too big to be handheld. Use the Magnum to drill the single fixing hole. Bolt the rig to the wall, position and lock the drill into the mounting clamp, screw in the appropriate core bit. The trigger has a built-in trigger lock, removing the need for the operator to keep the trigger depressed when operating the Magnum in its rig, leaving both hands free to wind in the handle. Not that both hands are needed. Fingertip pressure is all that it takes to drill through, in this instance, a 300mm reinforced concrete wall. Using the combination of Magnum and rig mount to drill large diameter holes reduces operator fatigue and increases productivity, with the added bonus of producing a smooth-sided core sample suitable for laboratory testing. The Magnum, the most powerful handheld diamond core drill in the world, giving you reliability, low noise, safety, no snatch soft start, faster drilling, suitable for wet or dry drilling, and an increase in productivity whilst reducing your costs.